Whether you're new to foiling or an experienced pro, it's never been easier than with the iCraft Deco Foil Adhesive Transfers from ThermOWeb. Deco Foil Adhesive Transfers can be used to create foil designs on cards, tags, scrapbook layouts, mixed media projects, envelopes, vellum, and clear acetate. Each package contains 2 identical multi-design sheets measuring approximately 6 by 6 inches. The first themed collection is from Gina K Designs for ThermOWeb. There's Birthday Bliss, Love Is, and Follow Your Dreams. The second themed collection is from Unity Stamp Company for Deco Foil. It includes Sentiments 1 and Sentiments 2. To use the Deco Foil Adhesive Transfers, you can use a laminator or die cutting machine to apply them. First, I'm going to show you how to use a laminator. Turn on your laminator and allow it to preheat for at least 15 minutes. Cut the desired design element from the sheet of Deco Foil Adhesive Transfers. I'm using the Gina K Birthday Bliss. Slowly peel off the clear bottom liner and position the transfer on your project, printed side up. Lightly tap it with your finger to secure it in place. Place it inside a folded Deco Foil craft and carrier sheet with the shiny side facing in. Insert the folded carrier sheet using the creased edge and run your project through the laminator. Remove your project from the carrier sheet and very slowly peel back the printed top liner to reveal the clear adhesive design. Next, cut a piece of foil slightly larger than the design and place it color side up on top of the adhesive. I'm using the Gina K Fancy Foils in Wild Lilac and Sparkling Silver. Then, place it in the carrier sheet and run it through your laminator. Remove your project from the carrier sheet and gently peel away the foil sheet to reveal your design. To use a die cutting machine, you'll set your project up the same way and run it through the machine instead of a laminator. I'm using the Unity Stamp Company sediments along with the Deco Foil Mystic Rainbow. Set up the cutting plates and platform the same way you would for wafer-thin dies. Place the folded carrier sheet between the cutting plates and run your project through the machine. The pressure from the rollers will transfer the adhesive to your paper. If your cutting plates are very worn, place a thin piece of cardstock or copy paper over the top of the carrier sheet to help prevent cut lines and transferring it to the adhesive. Remove your project from the carrier sheet and very slowly peel back the printed top liner to reveal the clear adhesive design. Cut a piece of foil slightly larger than the design and place it color side up on top of the adhesive and run it through your die cutting machine. Gently peel away the foil sheet to reveal your design. Use a hot laminator to foil the negative design onto a piece of Deco Foil Transfer Sheet or adhesive back Deco Foil Peel and Stick Toner Sheet. First, cut a piece of toner sheet the same size as the leftover foil. Next, place the toner sheet onto a scrap piece of cardstock inside a folded Deco Foil craft and carrier sheet. Place the foil on top of the toner piece, shiny side up, and run it through the laminator. Peel away the transfer sheet to reveal the foil design. The image or lettering will be black and the rest will be foiled. Deco Foil Adhesive Transfers can be applied to cardstock, pattern papers, and ink-blended or watercolor backgrounds with or without heat. They can also be used with ultrafine glitters or mica powders to create different effects. Easily add fabulous foiled details to your paper projects with the iCraft Deco Foil Adhesive Transfers and Deco Foil Transfer Sheets from ThermOWeb.